2 years into the pandemic, the local housing market is unrecognizable. Zillow reports half the number of homes are for sale in our area. They cost a third more than they did just in early 2020, and rents have spiked hundreds of dollars more a month. New at 6, Action News Jack's Stephanie Bennett met with a local realtor about what he's seeing here in Northeast Florida.
Right now, fewer houses are on the market and they're driving up prices, according to realtor Mike Boyle. He's seeing it firsthand in Jacksonville.
The sad part is there's people dying to get a house, can't get one.
Our sister station in Orlando talked to a couple facing the same challenge.
This feels kind of hopeless, you kind of get down.
The newlyweds have been house hunting for months, but
everything seems to be way overpriced.
Things could be even tougher for prospective buyers up in Northeast Florida. According to Zillow, typical Jacksonville area homes are valued at just under $335,000, up almost 30% from what they were in February 2020. And the number of available houses has dropped more than 11% since January and 53% since February 2020. Boyle says he's seeing even fewer houses than what Zillow reports.
Traditionally, we have probably 10 to 12,000 houses for sale. Today, there's like 2,048.
The housing supply is low and demand is high, making Northeast Florida one of the most competitive markets in the country.
Jacksonville finds itself the #2 place in America to buy a house. Can you believe it?
And Boyle says if you're buying with a mortgage, buy now because interest rates are expected to increase a couple more times this year. He says cash buyers have the luxury of waiting it out a little to see if prices drop. Zillow reports listings now typically spend 8 days on the market before going under contract, 35 days faster than in 2020. And rent in Jacksonville is almost 23% higher than last year, with typical rents eclipsing $1,700. For buyers like the McMullins,
You never know, so it's always good to try.
perseverance is key. In Jacksonville, Stephanie Bennett, Action News Jax.